Potatoes can be an optimal first food for infants and also a great choice for your toddlers. Hi, I'm Naina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. These amazing homemade mashed potatoes are perfectly rich and creamy, full of great flavor, easy to make, and always a crowd favorite. So without much delay, let's get started. First, I'm going to boil 2 large potatoes in a pressure cooker with 2 to 3 whistles. Boil it in salted water. This will season the potatoes all the way through. Take out the potatoes and put them in cold water and start peeling the potato skin. Mash the potatoes well without any chunks with a fork or a potato masher. Once the potatoes are all smooth, take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of butter into it. Add a teaspoon of pepper powder, oregano mix and some pasta mix. These seasonings are optional and you can completely skip it. Add the mashed potatoes, blend it well to the butter and the seasonings. Now add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream for that extra luxurious texture and flavor along with a cup of milk. Blend it well with a spatula. Use extra milk if desired. Once the potatoes are all mixed well to the cream, milk and the other seasonings, transfer it to a serving bowl. Have it as it is or serve it with a slice of fried garlic bread. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below. And please like, comment and subscribe my channel for more such videos.